Hi, this is Wildman. I did Arizona State Penitentiary for 7.5 years, and today I'm just showing you basically food that we buy from the cafeteria and mates help out from the kitchen, and we get together and eat. This is the type of stuff that you don't really eat every single day because it costs money, but it's like if it's a young person's birthday, or if it's an old person's birthday, or if one of your convicts are getting out. There's a difference between convicts and inmates, by the way. A convict knows how to act, he's respectful, he's tidy, he showers, he cleans, and he's a real man. An inmate just acts as an inmate, basically. He's the person what's always saying, it wasn't me, I'm not guilty. Fuck them, just punks, you know what I mean? You want to censor yourself around convicts. If you're going to go anywhere, or be with anyone, go with the old timers. They'll school you. They've been there a long time, and they'll teach you how to actually get through prison. Because prison ain't as easy as it looks. But it really is. If you know how to carry yourself, it is. Well, anyway, I got off the subject. This is prison food, without having to go to the canteen. Because the canteen stuff, I mean, yeah, it'll fill you up, but it's shit. It really is shit. So anyway, today's is tuna bagels, tuna and cheese hot bagels. First thing you need is you get your bin bags. These are actually clear on in the prison, so you can see through them. You got your razor blade. There. These are standard, really cheap blades. I do advise you to grow a beard in there. They are good for cooking though. That one's a bit small for what we're going to use. I've got one prepared earlier. That one's alright. So, you get your bagels, you buy from the store. I think they're like, well, it was 10 years ago when I was in prison. But then they were $1.40, don't know what they are now. You have a limit in the store of what you can actually buy, like as in what you can actually spend. And the good thing about it is, every now and again, they'll have like a charity thing where you can buy like cream cheese and other stuff like that you don't normally get, but the money goes towards, well, a bit of it goes towards the charity, but that only happens once a year, so you don't wait on for that. You have got to eat. So you've got your bagels. Second is cheese spread. Actually no, it's actually cheese slices, and the reason why you do that is because, see your little holes here, you don't want all your filling falling out, so you cover the hole up, plus its flavour. Now, the second one is cheese spread. What they just do different with this. Now, you don't have to be too precise when you're doing these, because more often than not you're doing like for say like 8 people, so you're going to end up doing at least, and you don't just give a person one bagel, so you're going to be doing at least 16 of them. So, now the prison screws, or what I mean by the prison screws are the guards. They don't really care when you're doing cooking, when you're actually cooking, because you're not actually doing anything wrong. But the only time they will care is if, say, like a sergeant or a captain's in the house, and then, but they do give you a heads up on tannoy saying, look, sergeants in or whatever. That basically is, because when you're cooking, even though you're not doing anything wrong, you got your ice chest and you got your stinger, you're heating your water up. If a captain or sergeant walks round, he could say it's a potential weapon, because it was hot boiling salted water. You could throw on someone and scar them for life. No one does that. I mean, I was literally did 7.5 years day for day, and not once did I see anyone get swilled with hot boiling water. They're not all animals, you know, fucking hell. Second thing is your tuna fish. Now you buy this in a packet. It just come in a packet and it's a rip and ready basically. This is canned tuna. It's the same thing, it's just that they don't sell cans in prison because they could be used as tools. Put your tuna on. Whatever meals you're making, there's no point in being stingy. You might as well put a decent amount on. Okay. It does help when you try to get it on the fucking bagel, by the way. There you go, there's the tuna. Let's close that. Now you put jalapenos. You don't need loads, it's basically just, you know, flavour. This is a jar of jalapenos. You actually get them in the canteen, but they don't come in jars. Well, they do, but they're plastic. I personally like jalapenos because, well, they're tasty. Now, you got that, you got that. You can use hot sauce if you want, but I personally do it with the tuna and cheese. You actually want to taste the food, so you don't necessarily have to use the hot sauce. If I was Mexican, I'd be using the hot sauce. And I don't mean that racially, it's just that they tend to use a lot more hot sauce than white boys do. You got your seasoning, you've got that. You got your cheese. Put a little bit more cheese on, because when you heat it up, the cheese melts into the tuna and the flavours combine, and it's tasty. Okay, we got that. All you do then is just go like that. This is the most expensive thing you're going to actually buy. This is about $10 a roll, but it'll last a very long time. You don't actually have to buy this, by the way, either, because a lot of the meals they give you, say if you're on lockdown or whatever, a lot of the meals they give you, they'll give you, it's like a tray of food with another tray on top, and if you're on like diet, vegetarian or whatever, they'll actually wrap it in cling film, and then saran wrap they call it in America. But yeah, so you just save it from the tray and then for when you're doing cooking. But I did a lot of cooking, so it's worth spending the $10. Tie it up. You got one done. Get another piece. Tie it up. You got two done. Now all you'd actually do with them is you stick them in your ice chest, what's boiling water, leave them for about, I don't know, 30 minutes, and when they come out, the soft, well, it's hard to explain. Everything's all melted in, but it's just, there's a bit of texture to it, but it's soft at the same time too. You'd have to actually just make one and try it. If you haven't got an ice chest out there, you're at home, make it, get a pan of boiling water, stick it in for 30 minutes and try it. This is Wildman signing off. If you'd like to watch any more of my recipes, please go on YouTube. I appreciate your comments, positive or negative. Thank you.